Going to do a quick review on Family Dollar's Homeline multi-surface luminescent cleaner. Homeline is a Family Dollar brand. Let me have that. Sorry about that, baby. You're getting into something. We're waiting for your mommy and daddy to get home, then we're gonna cook dinner. Won't be long. And okay, this compares to Pine Sol lemon scent. They've got 100% guaranteed or your money back on this. Cleans, deodorizes, and shines. Yeah, it's a pretty good little product. We use it here around the house, cleaning kitchen, mopping, just regular old household cleaning chores. But it's got a nice fresh little Pine Sol scent to it, like the Pine Sol product does. It does a good job of cleaning everything. And like I said, it's got a pretty nice little scent to it. It smells like Pine Sol. It's got a 30-day warrant satisfaction guaranteed on it. If you're not happy with it, you can return it within 30 days to get your money back. That's a pretty good little product. Cleaning bathroom, kitchen, your washers, whatever you need, car, whatever you want to clean. If you're mopping, it's your regular old household chores, cleaning chores. This is Homeline multi-surface cleaner lemon scent, which you can find at a Family Dollar store. I don't know any other place that sells this, but Homeline products, but Family Dollar. You might be able to find it somewhere else, but the only place I've seen it so far has been at Family Dollar stores.